Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix your ads.txt file you already find in your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, this only works if you're using a Word ads site. So if you're using their own ad management system, you can use this. If not, then you'll have to add your own ads.txt file by actually using a plugin and adding it to your site that way. Now, what you need to do if you're on WordPress, you can go to Tools and Monetize, or if you're using the WordPress admin like I am, go into Jetpack and then go into Monetize, and then you're going to go ahead and go to the Ads dashboard. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the Ads.TXT button and the section, and then you're going to need to click on Customize your Ads.TXT file. Make sure that that is checked off, and I'm showing you this because I don't have the premium plan to be able to do this. But pretty much once you get here, you need to add additional entries to your ads.txt. Ads.txt, by the way, does manage your ads. If you are the site owner, you can set up which ads show up on your site, or that is which ad vendors are able to promote themselves on your site, and you can edit them, of course, through the ads.txt. Now, once you check off the Customize Your Ads.txt file, you just need to add additional entries for this, and then you need to add one entry per line for other networks. Once you're done with your changes, you can click Save to save your changes, and that's pretty much it. Now, if there is a problem with this TXT file and you didn't add anything, then most likely you're going to use an FTP protocol or a file transfer protocol to change the ads.txt file, replace it with your own, which you can just create on a TXT file on your PC and then upload it. And once you're done with that, that should be pretty much it. There's really nothing else you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.